to our next R tutorial on dplyr, the powerhouse package for data manipulation in R. In this video, we'll dive into what dplyr is, why it's essential for data analysis tasks, and how it can revolutionize your workflow. Today, we're going to talk about dplyr, a fundamental package in R for data manipulation. Let's get started. So what exactly is dplyr? Well, dplyr is a package in R designed to make data manipulation tasks easier and more intuitive. It provides a set of functions that allow you to efficiently manipulate data frames and tables, which are two of the most common data structures in R. Now you might be wondering, why is dplyr so important? dplyr plays a crucial role in several aspects of data analysis, including data preprocessing, exploration, and analysis. Let's break down its importance in each of these areas. First up, data preprocessing. Before we can analyze our data, we often need to clean it, filter it, and restructure it in various ways. This is where dplyr shines. With functions like select, filter, and mutate, we can easily manipulate our data to prepare it for analysis. Next, data exploration. Understanding the structure and relationships within our data is essential for any analysis. With dplyr, functions like arrange and summarise allow us to explore our data, identify patterns, and gain insights quickly and efficiently. Finally, data analysis. Once we've pre-processed and explored our data, we're ready to perform more advanced analyses. dplyr provides functions for grouping data, group underscore by, joining data, join, and more, making complex analyses much more manageable. So whether you're cleaning messy data, exploring complex data sets, or performing advanced analyses, dplyr is an invaluable tool in your R toolbox. And that wraps up our introduction to dplyr. We hope you found this video helpful in understanding the importance of dplyr in data manipulation tasks. Stay tuned for more tutorials on R and data science. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.